So, siguro kay JC saka kay Alexa. Kumbaga, how was it? Kumbaga, kailangan nyo ba mag-usap na dalawa? How do you prepare for that scene? Gaano ka-intimate yung inyong kissing scene dito, di ba?
JC, how was it? Hindi, ako po, honestly, it was my first ever kissing scene po talaga. So admittedly, I was just very, very nervous. I was very scared. Being completely honest, I'm sure it was great, but I was so numb. I was not there. Yung kaluluwa ko wasn't really in the moment because I was just kinakabahan talaga. But I'm also very lucky because si Direk, talagang kinausap niya kami, he would remind us, he would tell us about the shots, kailan lang namin need gawin. Sobrang maalaga talaga si Direk. Everything had consent, everything was, we talked about each and every step, everything was consensual, yes. And I'm also very lucky kasi my first kissing scene was with such a great guy, which is si JC, na very, maalaga siya. I think,
nagre-react sa likod.
so sabi ko nga, okay, this is parang ito yung will ni Lord. Umabot na ako kay Lord. Sabi ko, Lord, ito talaga yung first. Bibigay ko talaga lahat dito sa Misbehave. So go, gawin na natin to. Kaya perfect din na si JC kasi he was such a very gentle partner, very hands-on din siya, very maalaga. So, I think it went well naman. But again, I was so out of it. I'm sure it was good. Again, I was so out of it. Hindi ko sumagot. Parang dapat siya yung sumagot.
Iyan na nga, siguro follow up lang kay JC. JC, kumbaga, hindi lang siguro si Alexa yung lucky, kasi you're lucky, kasi ikaw yung first kissing scene niya sa on-screen, di ba? So, how was it? Sabi niya nga, it was good. Ikaw naman, how do you describe the kissing scene with Alexa?
Si Alexa kasi, first scene ko, kissing scene agad.
Like taping?
Yes, taping ko agad nun. First day ko taping, yes. Kasi before ko, ako talaga si Warren dito. Share ko lang din po. Okay lang po ba?
Yeah, sabi mo na eh.
Sabi ko naman, ako si Warren dito. Nag-prepare ako for Warren for almost 2 months. And then after nun, kinabukasan, JC, ikaw na si Cole. Wait, ano ba ito? And then after nung taping ko na agad, so kinakabahan ako kasi hindi ko alam gagawin, hindi ako nakapag-prepare sa role na yun. Pero buti na lang, ginaid ako ng internet. And also, si Misbehave. Si Alexa, sobrang dream come true kasi sa akin makatrabaho si Alexa. Pangarap ko talaga makatrabaho siya before pa lang. Sinasabi ko na kay Direk, promise, legit, yes. And then yun, first kissing scene namin, ready ako, sobrang ready ko. Tapos si Alexa, pinakabahan, sabi ko, okay lang yan, don't worry. Gagabayan kita.
Wow!
Ako bahala sa...
Expert!
Ganitong gagawin natin, dadahan-dahanin ko lang ako. Ako na bahala. And then after ng taping na, okay, go, kiss. Pag kiss niya ganun, oh my God,
Okay.
ang lala, like, hindi first time. I mean, sobrang, in a good way, sobrang professionally.
No, kasi yung mga ganung eksena, you want it done on the first date.
Yes.
Para wala na ang ulit-ulit, di ba? Unless
Wala na.
Di ba?
So-
So, kasi sabi mo kasi first kissing scene.
First kissing.
So may second kissing scene?
Meron po.
Okay.
Pero sobrang
Kung okay ka
professional.
din.
Nagustuhan mo yung pagka-strong niya, ni Alexa. Nakita ko kung paano siya kapalaban. Nagusto niyang gawin para dun sa role na yun. Nagusto niya panindigan, hindi, kailangan kong gawin to para kay Marla. And sobrang committed niya sa role niya, kaya sobrang wow.
It just really shows yung professionalism
Professional.
ni Alexa. Diba? Direct, you wanna add? May mga binanggit kasi si JC na nauna daw.